guys. Hey, so I'm on a call now. What I'm going to do next is take off this panel to reveal. Actually, I can tell it's frozen. I feel this thing's cold. I'm gonna take this panel off, reveal the coil, and go from there. Even recording? I was not recording. Anyway, I took off the panels. This is a 2016 coil here. There is rust in the drain line, and before I even took this thing off, I figured this coil would be rusted. You see the biological growth on top. This is my refrigerant leak detector. I got this warming up, but I'll show you guys the bacteria that has just been growing in this thing. Look at that. Anyway, let's get to the issue here. Once again, there's water in the drain pan, which tripped this overflow switch, will shut off the system. If you guys are curious, how does water get in there? When the refrigerant gets really low, this coil freezes over. Of course, this becomes an air restriction, and there's not much airflow. The customer, whoever, turns off the system, and then this ice, this coil, thaws out, melts, gets on the furnace, and then in your drain pan. Alright, so we have the leak detector. I'm gonna put you guys down because I need to get my phone out to record it. Unless I get this to it, but let me see. So that's where the majority of the leak is. I'm gonna do this one more time just to verify it. These are sensitive devices. It's possible it could misread, so I just like to confirm it. But obviously with this rust and debris, a leak is definitely gonna happen. So what I'm going to do now is get some measurements of the system. That way our install team here can work their magic and do what they do best and have all the information that they need to do a successful install. So I'm going to get those measurements right now. What I'm going to do next is a combustion analyst test. So I'm going to fire up the system. I'm going to put my probe test lead in there. Let's see. Probably put it like on the side or something. And just make sure there's no obstructions in the flue pipe. Make sure that everything with this gas valve is dialed in properly. So I have it hooked up now. I'm gonna jump it out here at the control board. I would just hang this up here on the side. The tape came off. I thought we had an issue, but the tape. Alright, so I got everything put back together. I'm going to gather this information, put it together, and present to the homeowner, or landlord in this case.